The most popular single-DIN flip-out car stereo isn't always the best. Most people assume that. But when you actually dig into features, build quality, and real-world use, the story changes fast. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the 5 that actually matter. Product number 1: SOEM aka QLED Flip-Out. First up, the SOEM aka QLED Flip-Out, priced around $139. This one caught my eye with its dual-band Wi-Fi and Type-C fast charging. If you want rock-solid wireless CarPlay and Android Auto without lag or dropped connections, this is worth a serious look. That means it won't wobble on bumpy roads like cheaper manual models. Plus, it includes an HD backup camera, microphone, and even voltage stabilization for older cars with weak electrical systems. Huge if you're driving a classic or high-mileage vehicle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The PD30QC30 charging delivers up to 3x faster phone charging than basic USB ports, so you're not stuck hunting for a free cigarette lighter. And with Bluetooth 5.1 and clear FM/AM reception thanks to the SI4755 chip, you get reliable signal even in rural areas. Now, some people complained about the installation process being tricky if you've never wired a head unit before. Here's the thing though, SOEM aka offers real human tech support via email and chat, not just robotic FAQs. They'll walk you through wiring or even help customize your boot-up logo. This is perfect for you if you drive an older car and want modern features without electrical headaches. Skip this one if you're looking for the absolute cheapest option. There are lower-priced models, but they cut corners on stability and support. For the price, it's a solid value with premium touches. Product number 2: EKAT Manual Flip-Out. Now, if SOEM AKA's motorized system felt overkill or too pricey, the EKAT at just $93 takes a simpler approach. This is a manually flip-out 7-inch touchscreen with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, great if you want core smart features without the motorized complexity. You also get Bluetooth, FM radio, EQ settings, and a backup camera included. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The manual flip mechanism saves space and reduces points of failure, no motors to burn out. It flips out to a 95-degree angle, giving you a clear view without blocking your dashboard. And at under $100, it's one of the most budget-friendly ways to get wireless smartphone integration. Now, some people complained about the screen feeling a bit flimsy when flipping manually. There's a slight wobble if you don't support it properly. Here's the thing though, for daily city driving on smooth roads, it's totally fine. Just don't expect rugged off-road durability. This is perfect for you if you want wireless CarPlay on a tight budget and don't mind flipping the screen yourself. Skip this one if you drive on rough terrain or want maximum screen stability. For the price, it's a steal, just know what you're getting. Product number 3: TONI KPM SD Motorized Pro. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for drivers who want pro-grade stability and sound. The TONI KPM SD at $137 packs a motorized flip-out screen with 3x the impact resistance of manual models, thanks to a heavy-duty servo motor and dual-track system tested for 30,000+ cycles. The 7-inch HD capacitive touchscreen stays perfectly steady, even on pothole-filled roads. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in DSP lets you fine-tune bass, mids, and treble to match your car's acoustics, so your music actually sounds how it should. Plus, the included IP67 waterproof backup camera has 12 LED night lights and a 170 degrees wide-angle view, ideal for tight parking in dark alleys or rainy conditions. Now, some people complained about the Type-A charging port instead of Type-C, which feels outdated compared to newer models. Here's the thing though, it still supports PDQC30 fast charging, so your phone juices up quickly. And with 24/7 tech support and a full installation kit, setup is smoother than most. This is perfect for you if you want premium audio control and a rock-solid screen without breaking $200. For the features, it's one of the best balanced options out there. Product number 4: SoundStream VRCA 178W. Now, if you're willing to spend more for brand reliability and cleaner integration, the SoundStream VRCA 178W at $299 stands out. This is a premium single DIN unit with a motorized 7-inch LCD touchscreen, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and a sleek design that folds neatly into your dash. Here's why this matters for you specifically. SoundStream is a known name in car audio, so you're getting better build quality and longer-term reliability. The screen folds away completely when off, keeping your dash looking clean and factory-like, perfect if you care about aesthetics. And with backup camera support and on-screen parking guidelines, reversing feels safer and more precise. Now, some people complained about the high price compared to similar featured models under $150. Here's the thing though, you're paying for brand trust, better materials, and fewer compatibility issues down the road. If you've had bad experiences with no-name brands failing after a few months, this could be worth the premium. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, reliable upgrade and don't mind spending extra for peace of mind. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just need basic functionality. It's pricey, but for some, that reliability is non-negotiable. Product number 5, GHIOPMZ Budget Flip Up. Finally, if you're looking for the lowest entry point, the GHIOPMZ at just $64 is hard to ignore. This manually flip-up 7-inch 1080p touchscreen supports mirror link, Bluetooth 5, SWC learning, and even includes an HD night vision backup camera. It also has a Type-C fast charging port, 3x faster than standard USB, which is impressive at this price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get smartphone mirroring, hands-free calling, and reverse assistance for less than a tank of gas. The 7-color LED buttons add a fun customization touch, and the screen automatically switches to the camera view when reversing. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling cheap and the screen occasionally lagging during heavy app use. Here's the thing though, for basic navigation, music, and backup visibility, it does the job. Just don't expect buttery smooth performance like higher-end models. This is perfect for you if you need a functional upgrade on a shoestring budget and drive mainly in urban areas. Skip this one if you want motorized reliability or advanced audio tuning. For under $70, it's a risky but tempting gamble. So which one should you pick? The SOAM aka if you drive an older car and need stable wireless connectivity. The EKAT if you want wireless CarPlay under $100. The TONIKPMSD if you want DSP audio control and a sturdy motorized screen. The SoundStream if you prefer brand reliability and a clean look. And the GHIOPMZ if you're on a super tight budget. Each has trade-offs, but now you know exactly what you're getting.